Hello students, welcome to class 12 physics, chapter number 5 magnetism and matter. In this video we are going to discuss about the topic ferromagnetism and ferromagnetic substance. Ferromagnetic substances are those which get strongly magnetized which when placed in an external magnetic field. We had discussed about three magnetic substances. There are three magnetic substances: a diamagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance and ferromagnetic substance. In diamagnetic substance we had seen that the atomic dipole does not exist. That means the net magnetic moment of all the electrons in an atom is 0. But in paramagnetic substance the atomic dipole exists. That means the net magnetic moment of all the electrons in an atom does not add up to 0. So the paramagnetic substance is magnetized, but they are weakly magnetized. But here in case of ferromagnetic substance they are strongly magnetized when they are placed in an external magnetic field, because the net magnetic moment of all the electrons in an atom will not be equal to 0. When you add up that will not be equal to 0, and we can say that the atomic dipole exists in the ferromagnetic substance and they are in random direction. But when they are placed in the external magnetic field, then all the dipole moment gets aligned along the direction of the magnetic field, and these substances are magnetized. They are strongly magnetized. They have strong tendency to move from a region of weak magnetic field to strong magnetic field. They get strongly attracted to a magnet. These ferromagnetic substance, when it is placed in a non-uniform magnetic field, then it tends to move from the weak magnetic field to the strong magnetic field, because they are strongly attracted towards the magnet. The ferromagnetic substance will be strongly attracted towards the magnet. The reason over here is these substance will be attracting the field lines through it. So inside the ferromagnetic substance the field lines are highly concentrated. The individual atoms or ions or molecules in a ferromagnetic material possess a dipole moment as in a paramagnetic material. Domain is found in paramagnetic substance. In that domain, atoms arrange so that their dipole moment can be found in the same direction. Hence, each domain has net magnetization. But if the entire substance is considered, then the different domain have randomly dipole moment, and hence net magnetization will be 0. This is shown in the figure. Typical domain size is 1 mm and the domain contains about 10 raised to 11 atoms. When we apply an external magnetic field, the domains orient themselves in the direction of B0 and domain grow in big size and whole substance have been magnetized. That means, as discussed earlier, that in absence of the magnetic field, these dipole moment they are in random direction. But when you apply this in the external magnetic field, that means we put the substance in the external magnetic field, then all the dipole moment tends to align itself along the direction of the magnetic field. In a ferromagnetic material, the field lines are highly concentrated. As discussed earlier, that these substance, when it is placed in the external magnetic field, it will be attracting the magnet. That means it will be taking the field lines through it. So maximum number of field lines will be passing through the substance. So we can say the field lines are highly concentrated inside the ferromagnetic material. In non-uniform magnetic field, the sample tends to move towards the region of high field. So this is same as that of the paramagnetic substance. In paramagnetic substance also, it is moving from weak region to high region, high field region. Ferromagnetic substance also moves from weak region to the high field region. But the difference is that in the paramagnetic substance, the attractive force by which it is moving towards the strong field, it is less, And here in the ferromagnetic substance, the attractive force through which the substance is moving to the strong field is greater. Some of the ferromagnetic substance is iron, cobalt, nickel, gadolinium and dysprosium. So students, you may note down this theory.